Good morning! Good morning!
Morning energy.
Oo, guys. So, alam niyo ba, dito kami ngayon sa, ano pangalan dito? Cochrane. Cochrane. Oo. I think, hindi ko alam kung gaano siya kalayo. I think mga 25 to 30 minutes drive from Calgary. So, small town lang siya dito sa Alberta. Ngayon ko lang siya napuntahan. Sabi nila masarap daw kasi dito na ice cream. Yan. And then, ganda. Uy, meron ba? Yun, parang gusto ko talaga ano yun? Alin? Yung parang small town share ba? So, ganito lang siya. May party na pala dito. Ano nga? Itayo ka lang ba? Hindi na ako. Sige na.
Male English sparrow. The boys have dark dress on.
Tara na. Let's go. Halo-halo. Queso?
I want avocado. Never avocado.
Mahirap pero.
Take a picture of the
Anong gusto mo?
menu.
Ha? Mahirap na halo-halo.
And then, where's the other one?
Ha? Classic
I think there's more flavor sa loob. O yan na yun.
Hindi ko naman. Parang yan na yun. But wait, there's more.
That's sweet. Tama, meron kang red carpet, ano?
Ang dami pala nilang mga ano dito. Guys, town siya sa Alberta pero ang dami ng mga stores dito. They have everything.
Not in training.
Okay, pasok.
Hindi na daw siya mag-uwi sa Vancouver.
Wala kasi kami ganun. May cooler kami pero okay. Wow! Color changing?
Oh, we need one of those.
Really?
Yeah,
Okay.
because we don't have one.
Sa bahay natin?
Yeah.
Sa Vancouver?
Yeah.
Really?
Oh.
Oh. Cute.
Wow, cool.
Is it the same with the blue one?
Yeah, the blue one just changes to purple though.
Okay.
So this one changes to what color?
It's just like with water on top and stuff.
Oh, that's okay.
So pag lumamig, anong color?
That one turns into purple. Oh!
What color does this change?
What color do you want?
Yes, these are ice cream machine makers. And then I have ooh.
Agaraki Road. Guys, bumili din kami nito. Color changing. So, tingnan nyo. Green siya. And then, Ayan. Magta-turn ka ng blue.
They have really nice, cute buildings. Looks like a building that you will see in movies or like and look, it's just little. Actually, this part is like a heritage kind of area, but the other places are pretty developed already. So it's not really a small town anymore. But still pretty cool, right? Oh, I really like this one. And then they have other ones right here. Cute. Really cute buildings. What? I know. Oh, outside?
You don't
Oh.
need ice cream, you just need cold air.
I thought this turns blue.
No, it turns green.
Oh, cool. Wow. Locally made. And wow, cute. Soaps. Really cool soaps.
Lip balm.
You're looking for lip balm, huh? I like that. This is cool. It's bath salts.
They have Bronson oil too.
Wow.
Wood.
Is it wood wicks?
Ito, grabe ka mahal naman. Pero in fairness,
I'm sorry. Rango's remedies.
oh, tingnan mo, meron silang ganito for anxiety.
Wow, cute.
Calming. Yeah.
Follow them on IG.
Crystal store. Gusto namin yan. Kasi marami kaming espiritu doon.
Voodoo.
Hindi to ako yung pinag-promise. Mabilis lang talaga siya Ito, ginagamit ko siya pang ganyan sa mga usok para mas pwede yung usok. Magano?
$3. Ay, may mga ano sila, oh. May mga incense sila dito. Gusto mo ba? Ayan na. Basket na siya. Nandito pala kami sa entrance. Ay. Ano sila? Ayan. Alin?
So these are made from quartz, clear quartz, and then the quartz is mixed with different gemstones and how relaxing it is. Right?
Yeah.
So they're very, very high vibration. So because it's a sound wave, it has the ability of moving through the cell walls of your body and raising their vibration. So it's giving you healing energy as well, right?
Wow.
Which is a wonderful thing, right? Because there's all these other waves out there, radio and Wi-Fi and whatever out there, right? Kind of, and so this brings this beautiful healing energy to your body. So, yeah.
So good.
We do meditations with them. What's that?
You're surrounded of all these things.
Totally. Yes. Very, very much so, right? So very, very high vibration. So yeah, it's good. And that's a good thing because there's so many things in the world right now that are trying to bring us down, and these are bringing you up.
That's so
It's a
true.
good thing.
That's so true. Yeah.
Tea or something.
3 hours later.
Andito pa rin kami.
Yeah. So I got a bunch of stones. She did too.
Me too.
And then that. And then earlier we tried all the sprays.
Kasi kami yung spray na nakuha.
Ate Grace is gonna buy this one. It's so crazy kasi we did the measurement.
Anger, rage, and managing stress. So, siyang siya talaga.
Yeah, look at this. Oh my gosh.
Ano nga sa'yo yung
Such a
overall?
great store.
Thank you guys for always watching. And shout out pala kay Yolo. Bye!